Yes, good day sa inyong lahat mga kasabong ha. Here's are the 17 personal broadcast materials of Golden Dragon Game Permitted. 8 share to my good friend in Indonesia, to Mr. Denny Ling. Sir Denny, here's the final selection of your broadcast material. Okay, this one is the Clipper Hatch, the personal broad bullseye material came from the beer reading pen. Okay, very nice Clipper Hatch, sir. And this one, these are the Tasmanian Devil Hatch Chicoline Henny and the Hyena Blues Henny. And this one, these are the 5K sweater, sir. And this one, these are the Johnny Jumper Out and Out Kelso, the imported. And this one, these are the Shelton Roundhead, imported also, sir. And this one, the Shelton Roundhead also. And this one, the Bruce Barnett Yellow-Legged Hatch. This one, the Dragon Butcher, sir. And this one, the imported Johnny Jumper Out and Out Kelso. And this one, imported John Bishop Kelso, sir. This one is imported also, Shelton Roundhead. And this one, the Albany, sir. This one is the Howard Belt Red Claret. The Thompson White. And then the Blackwater Yellow-Legged Hatch, sir. This the California White Claret, Principe Line. And the last is these are the Junior Belt Kearney White Hackle. 17 heads of male, sir, and then 1 pullet. Overall 18 chicken. To Mr. Denny Ling. Sir Denny, here's the personal material. Good day, Mr. Dragon.
Magandang umaga ng mga kasabong. This is my special request to my good friend
Denny Ling.
Denny Ling from Indonesia. So this personal pick came from reading pen. This is my personal material, broadcast material. This is not for sale, but sir, this special for you. I give to you because I want to help you, sir. Sir, thank you for the trust, and I hope you like my very personal material. Thank you and God bless. Mga kasabong, maraming salamat po sa suporta at tiwala sa Golden Dragon Game Farm. God bless sa inyo lahat. Mga kasabong, thank you po.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dragon. Ayan mga kasabong and Mr. Denny Ling. Here's are the 18 heads of chicken for you. Okay, thank you and God bless. Good luck.